We are yard drainage contractors in Shelby Township, Michigan. We do full restoration to your yard. We can replace your sump pump discharge line, install your roof runoff system, bury all your downspouts, put in yard drains and French drains, and we can put back together your sprinklers as well as your turf grass and landscape. We are full service contractors in Shelby Township, Michigan. French Drain Man is the go-to drainage experts in Shelby Township, Michigan. If you need yard drainage in Shelby Township, Michigan, give us a call. French Drain Man at 248-505-3065. Our trained equipment operators and our skilled staff can take care of all of your drainage issues. Give us a call today.